I'm Satyajit. I've completed my engineering in mechanical engineering from Mangalore Institute of Technology and Engineering, Moodubitre, under Visvesvaraya Technological University with a first class. My father is my role model. He's working in a thermal power plant now. He's also a mechanical engineer, and I have learned a lot from him and basically driven by him towards mechanical engineering. My mother is a housewife. Talking about my educational background, I've always been a consistent performer and very good at academics consistently. I have done my engineering in mechanical engineering, and this has brought me to a stage where I started with a project which is used to mitigate the problems in parallel parking. It is called a parking enabler device for cars. We use hydraulics to facilitate the motion of the car in the direction perpendicular to its normal direction of motion. Talking about the project, when two cars are parked one behind the other, when the third car has to be parked between the two cars, either the space has to be large enough to accommodate the car, or the driver has to be an expert. Even if the driver is an expert, to move the car, to maneuver the car into the parking space, there is an extra space required to properly bring the car without causing any damage. So the concept that we have developed helps in lifting the car up and moving it in the perpendicular direction. So when the two cars are parked one behind the other, the third car is brought next to the parking space, it is lifted up, it is moved in the perpendicular direction and placed down. In this process, there is a lot of space that is saved, and the time required to move the car is also less. All in turn reduce the fuel consumption to move the car into the parking space. This concept received a lot of accolades from various levels. This was adjudged the best project of the year from our college by a well-known professor from NITK Surathkal. I have represented this project as a paper in various technical paper presentation competitions, of which in 2 of state level paper presentation competitions I received the first and the second prize. I took this project also to Srishti 2012 state level project exhibition conducted by ABVP, where it received a lot of accolades. It drew attention from television channels. Many technical people also supported the concept and praised the idea that was developed. This was the project. Talking about my other aspects of academics, I can say extracurricular activities. I've always been interested in learning more and more things. That's why I underwent training in Bosch Rexroth Drive and Control Academy in Hydraulics and Pneumatics. It was a training program where I understood many concepts of hydraulics and pneumatics. I've undergone an in-plant training at Messrs. Ashok Leyland Hosur, where I was also given an extra project. It was an in-plant training, 15-day in-plant training, but even in that I had been given an extra project where Ashok Leyland was facing some problem with one of the models of truck they manufacture. That was successfully solved by me, and that was very well appreciated by Ashok Leyland. Apart from these, talking about my cultural activities, interest in extracurricular activities as in cultural activities, I've always been interested in dance, drama, singing and other competitions like quiz and technical competitions. I've represented my college at various levels in all these activities, state and college level competitions. I have won various prizes in those competitions as well. I have been a successful master of ceremonies in almost all major competitions conducted by our competitions and programs conducted by our college. So I have been an all-rounder. I have always been interested to learn more and more things. I have interests in cricket and basketball. They were my passion. I have represented the state in cricket at various levels. I have also undergone cricket coaching camp various times. I have undergone cricket coaching camps on various levels. I have represented my school team as captain in a national level competition in basketball, where we successfully reached the semi-final stage and we were the second runners-up. To speak in general, I have been an all-rounder. I have always wanted to learn. I have always wanted to grow. Talking about the offers that I have got so far from campus, I have got offer in HCL and Siemens, both of which I rejected because I am interested in joining a core mechanical company where I can do justice to whatever I have learned so far in the last 3 years and apply the concepts and contribute to the society in return.